Okay, let's begin. Okay, that's the first mistake when he got greedy and took the pawn, thinking that it wasn't defended, but it was protected by the queen. So queen time knight. Queens are exchanged. So I know that I'm a piece up, so I'll just go ahead and just start exchanging pieces. So now I'm trying to exchange my bishop for his knight. Successful. He doubles up pawns. Okay. I start trying to take over the center. Eventually winds up in the checkmate. Okay, let's go back. So you can see how that checkmate was done. First mistake, or blunder, or error. Queens exchanged. I think I earned an extra pawn out of that exchange. It winds up being 3 pieces against 4. Now it's 2 against 4. Or 2 against 3. 2 rooks against 2 rooks. And a bishop. And I take over the center squares. Let's run that back. So I use his pawn to protect my king and stop his advance, my territory. He has no choice but to start moving over into the corner. I'm surprised he didn't bring his rooks down there earlier to try to protect and try to save him. But I think that's what he's trying to do. He's trying to get those rooks aligned. And then come in there and start with the checkmate. Checkmate.